Okay, this is a 5-year-old WR Gelding. I've had this horse right from day one. I'm just going to show you a little bit of my dry work that I do on all my horses before I work them every day, and definitely do it before I go show one. This horse here, every horse, I'll turn them around off my neck rein. I'm using my outside leg here right now, pushing them around. And then I just want them horses to go across, but when I sit and take my feet out, I want them horses to stop and come back to me. I'll turn them around the other way, make sure they're listening to my outside rein and legs, and ride them out, straight out into that stop, and I want that horse to come back to me. If I don't have a horse where I can ride forward and sit, and that horse will stop and come to me, for me, they're not ready to go show. That's just one of my little deals I like to have. You know, I really like it if they put their head down like